All right, here we had the freshwater fill. There was no locking mechanism on it or anything. I didn't feel comfortable with that, so I bought a locking uh, cover. All right, for the freshwater fill, and so I'm gonna put that, and that'll go here. I just gotta cut out the uh, the square part for it. You know, it's square here, so I'll make those cuts, and then I'll have a, I mean, somebody can still bust it open. It's only plastic, but you're just trying to keep the honest thieves out. I don't want anybody peeing in my water tank. All right, more. All right, there's the finished mod. Okay, so now we've got the fresh water locking. All right. All right. Yeah, just plastic, but hey, keep an honest man honest. All right. And then the next thing I got on order is for the city water fill, because this is the same kind of thing. I mean, there's no lock, so it's right like that. So I have a piece on order to replace that. So that'll be locking as well. All right, more to follow.